everyone, this is Maria, and today I have another fun toy unboxing from the 99-cent only store. Today we have the original Flip-A-Zoo, the toy that flips for you. This is Series 1. There's 101 styles to collect. It says secret character revealed when you flip. And so there's limited editions, special editions, extremely rare. These are made by the Jay and Play Company. And these are recommended for ages 4 and older. 4 and older can play with these because they're small. And so let's take a look at the package. These are blind bags, secret character revealed when you flip, each flipping into something new. It says here, find the extremely rare, includes one Flip-A-Zoo for 2 times the fun. I had never seen these before. And again, it says collect over 100. It says 101 though. And so here is the back of the package. Look at that. There are some of them here. And so in the comments below, let me know if you had heard of Flip-A-Zoo before. And again, Series 1, there's a little notch here so we can open these. Let's start with this one. And so we have 10. Here is the collector's guide. And let's see, this is really big. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You can see all the different ones. Rare, common. Oh, there's so many to choose from. And then limited edition, special edition, extremely rare. But don't they look cute? Look at these. They look so adorable. And so I'm going to set that here. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I have the time to look these all up. So let's just go ahead and open them. And let's see this one. It has it's really rubbery. This is like a hard plastic, the head. This is rubbery. And so let's go ahead, we turn this over. And so look at this. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? This is adorable. So we have 2 pets in one. Oh my gosh, I will definitely look up their names afterwards. This is adorable. I love this idea. I love this already. And so this is our first one. I'm going to set that down. Let's open this one. So this is Series 1, and they already have 101. Oh my gosh, this has to be special, right? It's gold. Okay, I will look this one up. It says extremely rare. So I wasn't able to find which one it is. It looks like a hippo to me, but it might be a gold hedgehog. So I really will have to look into this. But this looks pretty rare because it's gold. And so it looks really special. And let's go ahead and look at this one. He is special too, right? You are special. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so much fun already, and we've only opened 2 of them. So let's go ahead and open another. Now we're on a roll. Oh my gosh. Look at this pink one. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, and look at this. We have another gold one, and it looks, is it the same? No, it looks a little bit different, doesn't it? This one has horns, and this one has ears. Definitely going to have to look these up. And then, but look at this. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and leave them in gold for right now, so I know that this was the original. And so let's go ahead and open another. Oh, look. I love this colors. I love this. I don't know why these remind me of the Flintstones. You know, Flintstones and the Bedrock City. Oh, I love this too. Look at this. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. Super cute. Wow, look at this one, the white one. This is really cute. Look at this. I love this. This is so much fun. 2 pets in one. So let me pick one from the back. And so this unboxing is going quickly. These are so easy to open. And look at this pink. I love this with the yellow. So cute. And then, oh my gosh, look, we have another gold one. Really cute. And so, but this one came in pink, so I'm gonna leave it this way first. And then we have this one here. And let's see what this one is. Oh, look at this one. I love his nose. They all have different noses. See? And then look at this one here. And this one right here. And this one here. So they all have a little bit different characteristics. And let's go ahead and pull this back. Oh, look at the purple one. Yep, this definitely reminds me of the Flintstones cartoon show. This sort of reminds me of Dino the dinosaur. But anyway, super, super cute. I love this. Oh, what's this? This is a purple one. Isn't this pretty? I love this. This looks like a hippo, right? Oh, and look, we already have this one. And is this the same one underneath? Nope. Nope, it's not. So look at this. I love this. I love them all. They're all so cute. And then we have two left. Let's see what this one is. Oh, there's another purple one. Got a twin. But look, the one underneath is different. And so that's really neat. So if you have twinsies, you can always change them. And then look, this one looks like a giraffe. And then you have two different ones. So I think this is a really clever idea. So we have our very last one. And I do think this went really fast. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. I love this, that we're getting such a variety. Look at this. There's got glitter in there. There's glitter right here too. It's orange. Look at his nose. He sort of looks like Chester Cheetah, the cheetah from the Cheetos. And then, oh my gosh, look how cute. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? Looks like a coral, like a pinkish coral. I just think it's so pretty. He's sticking out his tongue. Just adorable. So what's my honest opinion about the original Flip-A-Zoo, the toy that flips for you? I say that I am flip for Flip-A-Zoo. They are so cute. I think it's a really clever idea and it's really different. I just really love the idea that you can flip these over and you have two pets in one. I think that is just so clever. So I give the original Flip-A-Zoo, the toy that flips for you, 2 thumbs up. I think they're adorable and they deserve an applause. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about these Flip-A-Zoo. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, be sure to tap on the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!